might fall weak and blindly into another's arms. Demands of gain from jealousies would flow like water, drowning us but leaving us with just another lover's false alarm. And now it's over, both of us free, but I feel colder. Thousand tortured lives have fallen, wounded, dying, cut down by the questions that we sharpen just to save our losing days. We thought with nothing more to lose, we tear our hearts with jagged truths, and everything we clung to